Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome or go on to this Jamaican type family. You can go on ahead and subscribe down below. For today's video, I wanted to do a wash and go for you guys. I know my hair isn't exactly wet right now because I did a deep treatment just the night before and I wanted to style my hair on camera for you guys. And the product that I'll be using is Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss coconut curling jelly. Now this is my first time using this product, so I'm very excited to see the results from using the product because I posted it on my Instagram story and a lot of people were like, yes girl, I absolutely love this. So I'm pretty excited to see what it can do. Now I'm going to untwist my hair and then I'm gonna add some water because I like to apply product to my hair when it's a little bit damp. I feel like it goes on better and I get better results. That's just me. So I'm just gonna remove these twists and then we're going to begin. Now I'm just going to start with one side first just to see what we're working with. And I just realized this could have been a bomb ass twist out if I did it smaller. And the thing is, I didn't even use any type of curling product. All I did was use my Diva Curl leave-in and twist my hair last night. I was going to do this video yesterday, but I was too tired and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do this wash and go the day after when I actually might go somewhere. So before I start, I'm not going to use any type of oil or leave-in that I would usually do before doing a wash and go because I did it the night before. I did a moisturizing treatment. My scalp is pretty moisturized and oiled, so I won't need to do all of that. So we're just gonna jump right into it. Now I'm not gonna drench my hair in water. I'm just gonna wet it just a little bit so that the product can glide better onto my hair. So the scent of the curling jelly, it smells pretty good. I can actually smell the coconut in there. So the jelly says it helps to minimize shrinkage and won't weigh your hair down or cause flakes. So let's see about that. So I'm just gonna do this little section by section. This is why most times I prefer to do my hair drenching wet because the products go on so much easier, but I didn't feel like re-wetting my entire head and then having to re-moisturize and all of that. So it actually curls instantly, which is good. So I'm not going to overdo it. I tend to be heavy-handed with the products that I use. And I hope this is very moisturizing because I have eczema and my scalp tends to get really dry. So I want to make sure that I hope this product is moisturizing. I'm going to put a little bit more closer to my roots. And then I'm going to do a slight finger coil. Now for the fastest results when doing your wash and go is to just apply the product on your hair, then use the Denman brush and then just leave it as is. But if I want more definition, or if you want more definition, it's gonna take a little bit more time by doing a couple finger coils here and there if you want it like super defined. And that is the curl. I actually like it. I just hope it has that hole because my hair does tend to frizz a little bit when it's dry. So I should mention that the white that you're seeing is the mixture of the leave-in that I had in my hair the night before and the gel, but it dries clear, so don't even worry about that. So I'm almost complete with one full side, and I must say it's almost effortless to define the curls. Like as soon as the jelly goes onto the hair, the curls just pop right into place. So now I'm just going to complete the rest of my hair and see how well it dries and how much control the curl jelly has on my hair. For the back sections, all I do is I spritz it with water and then just comb or rake the product through my hair. So if you have a shorter TWA or your hair is tapered cut like mine but still short in the back, just use your fingers and play with it. So just take your fingers, separate curls here and there, and just swirl it in your fingers or swirl it between your fingers. Okay guys, as you can see, this side is shorter than this side because it's still dry and because of how my tapered cut was done. So I typically wear my hair to this side. I don't know if that's one of the reasons, I don't know, but it's practically the same length. It's just that this is still wet. So I'm just gonna come back to you guys to tell you my final thoughts on the product when my hair is almost near to fully dry. Okay guys, so now this is the end results. My hair is about 95% dry. There's a couple areas that's still a little bit wet, but I use the diffuser to speed up the drying process just a little bit. And I just want to show you guys the difference. I did finger coils mostly on this side, so the curls are a little bit more chunky and defined. And then on this side, the curls are a little bit more looser because this is the side that I mainly just use a Denman brush to define. So I feel like this is more of my like natural as is curls, as over here is more of finger curls. So now you guys can see that the hair is like super defined. I love the definition, and my hair is full of volume, so therefore the product does not weigh your hair down. My hair feels light, it feels bouncy, there's shine to it. And you guys know with bleach hair it tends to get a little bit dry on the dry side, but it's super moisturizing, and as you guys can see there's a lot of sheen in my hair, so I absolutely love it. I love how fast it defined my hair. I didn't have to use too much product, and yeah, it dried really nicely. Obviously you still see a little bit white here and there because we still have some drying to do on the sides. Like apart from that, everything else about the product is just great. The control, it does give me control, not maximum control, but it does give control and it does give hold. So I'll give this product a 9.8 out of 10. I actually really like it, and it will become one of my fave. Okay, so that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you've tried this product before, tell me your thoughts in the comment section down below, or if you are willing to try. It's really affordable. I got it for $9 Canadian, so it should be way less in US dollars. And yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'll see y'all in my next video. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. If you haven't subscribed, go on ahead and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.